Nah, jadi bahan-bahannya sudah siap. Felix biasa chef kita kalau lagi kita barbecue. Oke, jadi daging sapi sudah siap. We're gonna put it on the barbecue, right? Oke lah, jadi kita mau makan dulu ya? Oke.
Halo semua, apa kabar?
Semoga semua baik-baik.
Saya Mbak Tina Bule.
Saya Bayu.
This is my vlog. Saya Mbak Tina Bule. Dan Bayu belum ada. Ini teman saya Aga dari Poland. Dan ini teman saya Felix dari Brazil. Hari ini kita mau bikin sate ya?
Sate Brazil.
Oke, sate ala Brazil. Tapi sebelum nonton video ini jangan lupa subscribe, dan loncengnya juga ya.
Ayo.
Yuk.
Mbak Tina Bule's Adventure.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sent.
Nah, jadi bahan-bahannya sudah siap. Felix biasa chef kita kalau lagi kita barbecue, enak banget yang dia bikin. Felix, today we are making
Sate Brazilian sate.
Oke, kayaknya enak banget.
Basically, on Brazil we just put salt on the meat.
Oke.
Yeah, and we leave the meat waiting for around 5-10 minutes. And after we put it in the grill.
Oke. Jadi Yami, saya dan Aga bantu banget Felix hari ini. Kita pegang ini. Asisten ya. Oke, jadi Felix bikin ayam juga ya?
Yeah.
For the chicken, what are the ingredients?
Yeah, for the chicken I put salt, garlic, black pepper, and a bit barbecue sauce. That's my favorite sauce.
Oke, jadi daging sapi sudah siap. We're gonna put it on the barbecue, right?
The meat, yeah, first, because it's gonna take longer.
Okay. So how we just put it?
Yeah, because the fire is still too strong. So
Okay. So we put it more
after
in
a
the
few
middle.
minutes, we're gonna put on another level.
Oke, jadi pertama di atas sekarang sini karena apinya masih kuat.
Now we're gonna put the chicken, yeah.
Oke. Jadi kita harus tunggu kira-kira 1 jam sampai sapinya ya siap. Oke. Dan in the meanwhile kita siapin daging lagi karena ini udah penuh.
Now we can prepare rice and some salad, yeah.
Oke. Jadi kita bikin nasi dan salad. Salad, what salad?
With potatoes, carrot, and egg.
Potato salad. Yummy. Oke. Ayo. Oke, jadi sekarang Felix lagi bikin nanas pakai gula dan kayu manis. This is a recipe from Brazil too, right? Kita udah pernah makan di restoran Brazil dan mereka kasih begitu, tapi saya alergi nanas, jadi
Because it's so good. So
so good, right? Ya, udah harum, baunya enak banget. So yummy.
Now we just keep watching and turn sometimes so you don't get burned. This is really important. And yeah, now we just need to wait maybe around 30 minutes and it will be done.
Oke, jadi kita lagi nunggu barbeque-nya siap, ya.
The rice is ready, the salad is ready. Now we have to wait only for the meat and chicken.
Yay! The most important part.
Most important part.
Yeah. Okay, so tell my subscribers and my viewers a little bit about yourself.
I'm Felix, I'm from Brazil. I lived here almost 5 years. I don't speak that good Bahasa, just a little bit, but I can understand a lot.
Nama saya Aga, saya dari Polandia. Aku umur 24 tahun.
Luar biasa dong.
Speak better than me, Bahasa.
No. I was here like for 4 years already, I think, yeah. And we know each other for how long?
2 years? 2 or 3 years.
years.
I say 3, she say 2. It feels a lifetime.
I think it was like 2017, in the beginning of 2017.
Oh, it's the beginning, yeah. Yeah, maybe beginning. So almost 3 years. You see, it's almost 3 years.
Almost, yeah, almost, yeah. It's the end of 2019 already. So.
Time flies.
Yeah.
Ya, jadi awalnya Bayu dan Felix good friends. Habis itu ya best friend. Ya, you see. Habis itu saya perkenalkan Aga juga. Dan ya, the rest is history.
Yeah.
We know each other and we didn't connect immediately.
Yeah, it took us so long, yeah.
So long, yeah, because
But as you said before, like unexpected friendships are the best
are
ones.
the best ones. Ya karena mukanya dia biasa kayak orang marah.
Saya dari Polandia, ya.
Terus Felix dari Brazil, dia friendly banget.
Translate everyone, you know.
Kata Aga terlalu
Now I
friendly.
change also because I'm living in Indonesia. People are so friendly, so
Lebih senyum,
more open. Yeah.
she's smiling more. Lebih senang, lebih semangat. What do you think about the Indonesian traffic?
Me?
Oh,
The honest
that's
story to be. No, I don't like it. To be honest, I don't like it.
Ya tapi
But
because
it's too
that's the
stressful,
biggest
but
problem in
Yeah.
Jakarta. Also pollution, but the rest
Yeah.
everything is good.
I love Indonesian, but only the traffic.
ya kita semua bilang sama. Kita sayang banget sama Indonesia tapi macetnya ampun.
But beside that, everything is good. Like the
Yeah.
Indonesian people are very friendly. They are so open, smiling all the time,
And nice.
happy.
True. That's why I'm 5 years here.
Yeah.
Because
And
it's
I'm
over friendly
already
too.
more Indonesian than Brazilian, to be honest.
Oh, amazing, you see? Jadi ini Mas Bro Felix, Mbak Aga,
Mas Felix.
dan Mbak Tina Bule.
Saya Mbak Tina Bule.
Ya,
I'm so
mereka
sorry, I need
semua.
chicken the meat.
Oh ya, harus cek dagingnya. Ya, jadi mereka semua pakai Mbak Tina Bule, cuman saya aja nggak pakai.
Kamu Aga.
Saya Aga.
Hari ini kamu Aga.
Ada banyak orang yang bilang kita similar.
Yeah.
True nggak?
Write in comments. Let us know.
Kan
And
dia
don't forget to subscribe. Mbak
You
Tina
see?
Bule.
masuknya Aga.
And check my Instagram. Agnieszka Dziadura.
Tuh. Kayaknya harus ganti namanya Instagram ini, change your Instagramnya. Too complicated.
But that's my name.
Yes, true. For me, that's why my real name is Christina. I changed to Tina.
But Christina is still easy.
Yeah. Her name is Agnieszka.
Agnieszka, that's why I'm Aga. More easy. Easier for
For everybody to understand and remember. Yeah.
Try to repeat now. 1, 2, 3. Agnieszka.
Yo, let's check the meat too.
Yeah.
Help Felix. So Felix, how is the meat?
Going good. So it's gonna be wait.
Oh, chicken. It's about to...
Tuh, ayamnya sebentar lagi siap. Tapi masih ada merah-merah. Still a little bit ya.
Yeah.
Wah, so yummy.
But pineapple. It's so good. Can't
Mereka
wait.
suka nanas. Saya nggak bisa makan nanas.
Alergi ya.
So sad.
Tapi tuh, tasty banget.
I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
Tuh, akhirnya Bayu datang juga. Halo semua.
Kabar. Jadi hari ini bikin apa?
Bikin barbecue ala Brazil, sate ala Brazil, tapi satenya besar banget.
Yuk ikut yuk, bantu-bantu.
Wah tuh itu udah jadi dagingnya.
Hei, kabar?
Hai. Halo kita.
Saya sih. Tuh, di sini udah jadi dagingnya dan Felix lagi potong nanasnya. Tuh di sini masih ada ayam.
Mau coba?
Bantu gimana? Ambil ini ya?
Ambil. Ambil bawa. Ya gitu. Sapi. Ini iya. Sapi kuda.
Oke, jadi kalau Bayu udah datang, saya dan Aga bisa istirahat. Ada cowok-cowok lagi siapin barbeque-nya ya kan?
Ini sate Brazil besar.
Besar kan?
Satenya segede gini.
Makanya orangnya besar semua di sana.
Try pineapple first.
Terus mereka mau coba nanasnya. Nggak bisa, kasihan.
Ada alergi ya?
Iya, nggak bisa. Enak? Nah, jadi di sini ada piring, garpu dan sendok.
Nasi sama salad.
Amazing. Oke, kita taruh sini ya. Oke.
Let me organize it first.
Kayaknya nanasnya enak banget, tapi saya nggak bisa makan. Wow, tuh Felix lagi mau potong ke dagingnya. Wow.
The food is ready. Let's eat.
Oke. Jadi kita masih nunggu sebentar lagi ya ayamnya, tapi sambil makan ya.
Ayo makan.
Ayo.
Pakai pakai.
Bro.
I take small big.
Let's eat.
Yuk. Makasih tuh. Tapi mereka di Brazil makan nasi juga ya? Makan nasi juga, tapi nasinya pakai
Onion and garlic.
bawang bombay dan bawang putih.
Ini apa?
Ini potato salad.
Potato, beetroot dan
Carrot,
Egg.
egg, yeah, and salt and a bit black pepper.
Ini apa? Es krim.
Ice cream.
salad.
Ice cream.
Bukan
Look
salad.
like look like ice cream. Ini ayam dari Brazil, sapi dari Brazil.
Bukan dagingnya beli di Jakarta, tapi ala Brazil.
Ala Brazil. True.
Begitu. Salad dan nanas. Oke lah. Jadi kita mau makan dulu ya? Oke. Jadi kalau suka video ini jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan comment.
Don't forget.
Dan loncengnya juga ya.
Help us.
Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah.
Dadah.
But we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try.